if we make these mistakes, they can often cause us to have a bad experience with keto. So let's take a closer look at these common mistakes and how we should address them. So mistake number one is you don't consume enough calories or enough fat. Many people simply do not eat enough calories. We're trying to restrict carbohydrates, and so oftentimes we just don't eat enough. So the second big mistake is that you're just not adequately hydrated. So most people just do not drink enough water. I recommend consuming an absolute minimum of half your body weight in ounces of water daily. So what does that mean? I'm 160 pounds. So half my body weight would be 80 ounces of water. So the third big mistake I see people making is they're not consuming adequate electrolytes. And I mean by electrolytes, particularly salt. You see, staying hydrated is not just about drinking enough water. You'll also need good minerals. Without them, you'll never maximize your fat burning potential.